can you please tell us a bit about the earlier book and also the character?
Sure. I think one thing which I really found to be very, very interesting, and also I think commendable to a large extent, was that Kulpreet sort of underplayed the character. He didn't really pitch Andy Karan very high in terms of pitching the character as a top star as the James Bond is. So he didn't really sort of style him in a way where you know he won't make any mistakes. He's that kind of a person who will get everything right. He's dashing. Who drives the best of the cars, the flashy cars. I think he's sort of handled it right because, in my personal opinion, it's important to do that because if you're going to come out with more books in the series, you shouldn't really set the expectations too high because then you're under the pressure to sustain that expectation or to meet that expectation. And I think what he has done of Andy Karan is he has allowed it to grow. He has let the scope for the character to grow with each new book. And that is what I already sense in the second book in this series, where the character has certainly matured. He's learning from the mistakes. He's growing. You are falling slightly. I would say, he's gaining the respect, and he's being admired. And I think people are realizing that he's there. He's arrived, and he's going to go and keep doing things and earn more and more appreciation. I think that's one feature about Andy Karan I really liked. The second I think is that I think he's also pitched him in a way where he would align with the masses in terms of the readers. He hasn't really narrowed down or compartmentalized the character for a particular section only. You see the spy or a detective or such kind of a daring person in a particular mold only. So I think that flexibility is allowed where he probably can be seen and appreciated by a wide section of readers rather than as a limited. Now these are, I think, two good characteristics which will help him in the long run, in particular at the end of this book as people start reading it, and perhaps going forward it will help you more by not sort of compartmentalizing or in any manner putting him in a capsule of a particular limited style detective or a spy.